In this video for the TV Star S3000 standard definition satellite receiver, we're going to show you how you can manually tune in a satellite channel and in addition how you can manually add a transponder. So to do this, all you simply do is press menu, go to installation, arrow over to installation, and what you want to do at this point is hit the yellow button for TP edit, which stands for transponder edit. Okay, so what we want to do here is we want to basically add a transponder and then do a scan on it. Okay, so what we'll do is we're just going to show you basically there's three things you need to do, and you can get these settings from the likes of King of Sat or Linksat, things like this, but periodically we throw them up in our blog as well on TV Trade. You know, when common channels or popular channels change frequencies. So I'm going to say that I'm going to put in a channel here that the frequency of 112.65 has a symbol rate of 27,500, could be 22 or 27,500, it could be 22,000, you know, it could be whatever anyway, and the polarity can be horizontal or vertical. So to save that then, actually before I do that, a point to note is if the transponder already existed in your box and you entered the settings, it will come up and tell you that transponder already exists. So what you do is you'd exit back to the previous screen with your transponder list, and you would actually perform a manual scan on that. But this one doesn't exist, it's telling me that, so I'm going to hit exit and it's saying, are you sure you want to save? So that's fine. So what I'll do is I'll go back into my menu, I'll go to installation again, I'm going to go to TP edit, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually scan one in particular, 11260. Now this does exist on my box, okay, and I'm just going to scan it from one particular channel that I'm looking for. It's going to bring in all the channels that are on that and add them to the end of my channel list, but I'm just looking for one in particular. So what you can do at that point then is just hit the red button for TP scan. So scan mode free is what you want, free channels. I'm only looking for a TV channel, so I'm just going to pick TV channel, and I'm going to say scan type. You can say auto or manual scan, but I'm going to say auto scan, and then just press OK to search. Now this will be extremely quick because it's only scanning one transponder, and that's how quick it is. So I can exit out at this stage, and what I'm going to do is go down to the end of my channel list, oops, and it should be added in there along with other ones on that particular transponder. So I'm just going to scroll down here and you'll see, whoops, it's added on there. EWTN is what I was looking for, so I'm just going to hit OK and go in there, and that's been added to my box. So this happens periodically where channels change frequencies, or perhaps new channels get added to the free to air lineup, and this is basically how you would add the transponder for them if it didn't exist, and how you would scan them in on your box. And at that point then we have another video in our series showing you how you can sort and delete them. So if there was extra channels that came in that you didn't want, you could delete them and then perhaps move the channel that you wanted to keep that and move it into the position in your channel list that you wanted. So that's it basically, how to manually tune in a satellite channel on the TV Star S3000 standard definition satellite receiver.